The war in the action camera market is over. For too long, you've been forced to choose power or portability, cinematic quality or rugged durability. We are here to tell you that the rules have changed, and the entire landscape is about to be scorched by one device that combines them all, the DJI Osmo Action 6. Forget the incremental updates you've seen from the competition. DJI didn't just tweak the lens, they re-engineered the entire core of the camera. The rumors and leaks that have been bubbling up from the supply chain are no longer whispers. They are a deafening roar confirming the birth of an action camera designed to steal every single professional user from its rivals. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the next half hour, we will expose the 3 secrets that make the Osmo Action 6 an unfair advantage. The secret of light, the sensor and aperture. The first, and most crucial, leak is the 1/1.1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. This is the game changer. It's nearly 40% larger than the sensor in the previous generation, a colossal size for an action camera. What does this mean in real terms? It means you can finally film in low light, in the golden hour, or deep in the forest, and your footage won't dissolve into grainy, unusable noise. This camera is built to capture light, not just pixels. But they didn't stop there. To control that massive sensor, DJI has introduced a variable aperture, rumored to range from f/2.0 to f/4.0. This is a feature usually reserved for high-end mirrorless cameras. Think about it. An action camera that allows you to control the depth of field and exposure naturally, without having to slap on a finicky neutral density filter every time the sun moves. It allows for a shallower depth of field, giving your action shots a true cinematic separation. This single feature makes the Osmo Action 6 the most professional action camera ever created. The secret of time, 8K and endurance. The second secret is the insane leap in processing power. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to support 8K video at 30 frames per second with HDR and ProRes encoding. 83 million pixels, captured by a sensor that can actually handle the light. This means unparalleled detail and professional-grade color fidelity right out of the box. You no longer have to compromise on resolution just to get the best color science. But 8K heat is a killer. How did DJI solve it? Leaks suggest a revolutionary graphene-based thermal system. This isn't just a simple heatsink, it's an advanced material engineered to wick heat away from the processor silently and efficiently. This allows the camera to deliver an insane, rumored 4 hours of continuous 4K recording on a single 1950 mAh battery. 4 hours! This crushes the competition and means you can finally record an entire day's adventure without constantly swapping batteries. The Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization system is also completely rebuilt, leveraging the 8K processing power to deliver AI-driven horizon leveling that is so flawless, your footage will look like it was shot on a professional gimbal, even when strapped to a mountain bike. The secret of integration, smart features and control. The final secret is how the Action 6 integrates into your connected world. DJI is rumored to be introducing deep, seamless smartwatch integration with both Apple Watch and Garmin devices. Imagine controlling your camera, starting or stopping a recording, and viewing vital telemetry data, speed, altitude, distance,